In today's competitive market, spending less while selling more is the ultimate goal. How can you achieve that? Imagine creating stunning product pages that drive sales without the clutter. Instapage makes it possible for businesses of all sizes. Launching your product page quickly can change the game entirely. With customizable templates, your designs are just a click away. Strategically displaying your products can elevate your online presence. Use custom widgets to showcase offerings precisely and effectively. Boost your ad ROI by communicating relevant messages to your customers. Tailored landing pages can enhance your marketing impact significantly. Would you like to know how customers interact with your pages? Utilizing heat maps can reveal valuable insights about shopper behavior. Conducting A/B tests allows you to discover the best ways to showcase your products. Find out which designs convert the most sales. Never waste time recreating landing page content again. With global blocks, replicate your on-brand content effortlessly and efficiently. Imagine integrating seamlessly with your favorite tools. Connect e-commerce platforms and analytics services to strengthen your marketing efforts. Join the ranks of successful marketers like Alex Krakow, who leverage Instapage for exponential growth. Take your advertising to the next level today.